Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the iSeeker 3-channel 4K dash cam. This is the ID320 with 32GB of a microSD card, but you can extend by yourself. We have 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p car camera with 5.6 front, rear, interior dash cam with IR night vision for cars, WDR loop recording and G sensor, and if you need it and like it, 24/7 parking monitoring. This dash cam simultaneously record front, rear, and interior and delivers a razor sharp video with 4K front, 170 degrees and 1080p rear, 150 degrees and inside 170 degrees. The 3.19 inches IPS display allows us to clearly see all the viewing angles in real time. Perfect for everyday use. Family outings and dashcam users such as drivers rely on complete recording and reliable video evidence day after day. We can monitor our vehicle even while it's parking. Movement or shocks automatically trigger a recording. In the event of a collision, the G sensor locks the relevant files and protects it from overwriting. Parking mode requires a separate hardware kit, which is not included. We can get this by iSeeker. That's it for street parking, lot, or garage. Advanced low light sensor and high bright lenses delivers a clear 4K images with an aperture 1.6 forward and 1080p recording with aperture 1.8 from the back and from the interior 1.6 aperture, even in low light conditions. The HDR and WDR processing optimize the contrast and the detail, thus making it easier to recognize vehicles, pedestrians, and vehicle insights and activities at night, either for family trips, carpools, or commercial rides, for reliable evidence and more safety at the night. We connect our smartphone to the dashcam via Wi-Fi and use the WeIIDURE app on iOS or Android smartphones, so we can watch, download, or replay videos instantly. We can change settings conventionally, remote, and update the firmware wirelessly. Whenever you want to check the recordings on the go or save special driving moments, the app makes managing our recording easy and convenient. This dashcam supports seamless loop recording. The oldest files are automatically overwritten while important events remains protected. A free 32GB microSD card is included, and the camera supports U3 speed Microsoft SD cards up to 128GB for enough storage for the 4K front, 1080p rear and indoor shootings. The format, the card, before first use, of course, for best performance. The goal is to always provide as with an outstanding service, we can enjoy here 24/7 recording if we need it, if you have an extra additional hardware kit as well. iSeeker is a young team with an innovative spirit. They listen patiently to us customers to develop the sophisticated, unique, attractive, and ideal dashcams for the iSeeker fans. We have a 4 Wi-Fi triple dash cam with a nice protection, and this all in 4K. We can have a Wi-Fi and app control, hidden design, WDR time lapse, turn on or off the mirror on off, parking watch, G sensor, all included by good nice stuff here.
Now you can hear, and of course you can see what's going on in the interior of your car, rear and front side. All is recorded as you need it, as you like it. And you can hear now the sound quality of that device. So this is a dash cam, what brings you all joy of looking forward, backward, and in sight. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sen.